In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Uber Eats to someone. If you've ever wanted to treat a friend or family member to a meal from afar, this process is simple once you know where everything is in the app. I'll walk you through it clearly and share a few tips so the delivery goes smoothly. Start by opening the Uber Eats app. Before you browse, set the delivery address to the recipient's location. Tap the address bar at the top, type in their full address, and include any apartment or suite number. Take a second to confirm the map pin is in the right spot. A precise pin helps the courier find the correct entrance and prevents delays. If the app suggests nearby matches, choose the exact one that corresponds to the recipient's place. With the address set, you're now seeing restaurants that deliver to that location. Pick a restaurant you know they'll enjoy, then add the items to the cart. Check portion sizes, sides, and any customization options. If the person has dietary preferences or allergies, choose items accordingly and use the available notes within the item if needed. When you're ready, go to checkout. Under delivery details, add the recipient's name so the courier knows who they're delivering to. If the app prompts for a contact number, enter a number the courier can use to reach the recipient for delivery coordination. In the delivery instructions box, include a short helpful note. You can write something like, "This is a surprise delivery," and add practical details such as the building entry, gate or buzzer information, the floor or suite, or where to leave the order if no one is available. Keep it concise and clear. Review everything carefully: items, address, contact information, and tip. Then complete payment and place the order. Once it's in, you'll see live tracking right on the map. You can follow the progress from order confirmed to being prepared to picked up and on the way. If you want the recipient to follow along, share the tracking link directly from the order screen so they can see the courier's ETA. If anything comes up, like a tricky entrance or a drop-off preference, you can message the driver through the app. Keep communications focused on delivery details to help them complete the handoff quickly. And that's it. Open the app, set the recipient's address, choose the food, add their details in a clear note, place the order, track it in real time, and share the tracking link if you'd like. With these steps, sending Uber Eats to someone is easy, thoughtful, and reliable.